don't know how well that went. So we are on location. I hope from the opening bit you can tell what we're doing. Bryan and I are up here in Caledon, and we're gonna do our annual pumpkin Halloween shots, video, whatever. So just hang on and enjoy the ride.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
So yeah, we had a pretty awesome shoot here, and I'm just putting this on. We had a visitor. The Cowboy actually showed up, and we shot with him again. Got some killer footage, some really cool shots that we're going to be posting soon for Halloween. And yeah, I'm walking in the middle of a road again. It's just what I do. So guys, thanks for watching, and have a safe Halloween. Do lots of trick-or-treating. Take your kids out. Get lots of candy, and see you soon. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. Leave me a comment. Just want to know what you think. And see you soon, people.